So many times people scroll right to the end of an email to see what the summary of what you're writing is, and that's where your signature is, and that's a place that you can use to capture their interest. Let's clear the chaos of client attraction. This is video 93 as I count down 100 marketing ideas to help you grow your business, and today we're talking about your email signature. Now, what do you normally do with your email signatures? Maybe your name, your title, and your business, but you have a lot of opportunity to promote things that are going on in your business in your signature. Now, don't go crazy here and write an entire paragraph trying to sell too many things, but my recommendation is you should promote one thing in your email signature. Now, maybe it is a link to your YouTube channel to get someone to subscribe. Maybe it is a link to a Facebook group that you have that you'd like to get people into, that you're adding value to. Maybe you have a special coming up, or maybe you have a new product or service that you're offering. Whatever it is, include it in your email signature because people are going to look at that and read it. And by not including something, you are wasting a tremendous amount of space that could be used to highlight something that will help people, maybe bring them into your service as a client. The next video in the series is right here. The entire series is up here. And if you click on my face, you can get alerted every time I drop a new video about glowing your business, about growing your business.